Working with Kerio NetWatch, network monitoring, and need to access KNF configuration files. These contain monitoring rules and network watching settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Kerio NetWatch configuration files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor KNF errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A KNF file stores configuration settings for Kerio NetWatch, a component of the Kerio Control firewall and network security solution. Administrators create or modify this file to define monitoring rules, alerts, and system checks. Users typically search for this to understand or troubleshoot their network monitoring setup. The KNF file is a text-based configuration file, likely using a simple key value or INI-like structure. This plain text design was chosen for easy parsing by the software and to allow network administrators to manually inspect or edit the settings with a standard text editor if necessary for advanced troubleshooting. GFI software endorses Kerio Control as the main tool for handling KNF files. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows displays the file plainly, but tools or documentation are needed to understand each parameter. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your KNF file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Kerio Control first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If your KNF file is not opening yet, that is normal. The KNF file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, importing in Kerio NetWatch. Launch Kerio NetWatch and access the configuration management interface through the Tools or File menu. Use the Import Configuration option to load the KNF file. The application validates the configuration data and applies the monitoring rules to the active monitoring system. Verify that all devices and rules import correctly through the dashboard view. Next, editing configuration. Open the KNF file in a text editor like Notepad++ if the format uses readable text encoding. Examine the configuration structure and modify monitoring parameters directly through text editing. Carefully maintain proper syntax to avoid configuration errors. Save changes and re-import into Kerio NetWatch to apply the modified monitoring configuration. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Kerio NetWatch is no longer actively developed. Migrate monitoring configurations to current network monitoring tools like PRTG Network Monitor Nagios or Zabbix for continued network visibility. Manually recreate monitoring rules in the new platform based on KNF configuration data. Modern tools provide more comprehensive monitoring capabilities with better scalability and integration options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.